guys, welcome back to another vlog. So it's currently 2 in the afternoon on Wednesday. So I decided to start vlogging again because I actually kind of miss vlogging. But anyways, so like I said, I'm gonna get my day started barely. If you hear little baby songs, it's because the baby's watching those. So what I'm gonna get started with today, we're gonna just jump right into it. Opening baby's window. So I'm gonna start by cleaning baby's room. I'm gonna show you guys the mess I have here, which I have to start getting it organized again, because he is actually growing out of his clothes, some of his clothes. So I'm gonna show you guys. So all this is actually PJs that he has outgrown. But all this clothes right here that I found that is bigger size, I have to put it in the washer. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna change out his sheets, and then I'm just gonna start hanging clothes that I have here that need to be hung, and then some on this side right here. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do today. I don't have much planned today. I may go for a walk with baby later. Because I want to start walking and then taking him outside more. I actually tried curling my hair, and the first day I did it, it looked nice. Right now, I guess because I slept on it, I tried fixing it, but some parts are being, like this right here is being stubborn and does not want to like straighten out. So I'm gonna do that first. I'm gonna stick baby's clothes in the laundry. I'm gonna come back and wash some dishes. And yeah. I am so excited because guess what just got here? I'll show you. BoxyCharm. So I'm actually gonna open it right now and show you guys what came in today's box. I forgot to get scissors. So this is the little card that they always sent, BoxyCharm XOXO. Right off the bat, there's this Getaway Eye and Face palette from Wonder Beauty. That looks cool. I'm gonna go ahead and open it. Ooh, it feels so cool. Oh, this is very, very cute. So it has a highlighter, a blush, and neutral shades. That's so pretty. Can you guys see? Yep, right there. And I love that it comes with the little mirror. So this little thing is by NCLA Los Angeles Treatments. It says So Rich Vitamin E Infused Cuticle Oil. Yeah, oh, that's so cool. And it's this little bottle right here. I wonder if I have to shake it. It comes with like little glitter and like little hearts inside, and it smells like roses. Next is this Saturday Skin Yuzu Vitamin C Sleep Mask. So it looks like this, and I'm guessing it's like a gel or moisturizer. The packaging is so cool. Looks like that. I love how it comes with this little like spatula thing. It says apply after your moisturizer, leave on overnight, may be used 3 to 5 times a week. Wow, that's cool. So it's like a gel feel. I'm excited to try that. Next is this Cocoa Gold Mist Hydrating Setting Mist by the Beauty Crop. Looks like this, and I think you can see that it has like gold specks inside, and I guess you have to shake it before. Next is this caffeinated scalp scrub for all babes and all hair types by Frank Body. Improves scalp health, removes product buildup. So I guess it's a scalp scrub. I've never used this little tube. It says wet and part hair. Take a pea-sized amount of scrub and gently work into scalp. Continue to part and repeat until your scalp is covered. Lather and rinse. Follow with shampoo to aid rinse out. This is awesome and kind of ironic that I'm getting this now, especially since I cut my hair. And if you guys saw my previous video, you guys know that the reason why I cut my hair was because it was falling out a lot. So I hope this makes it stronger and makes it grow. So very excited to use this. So that's all that was in the BoxyCharm. I'm actually very excited for all the products. I'm actually gonna wear this. I'm actually gonna spray this right now because I am gonna do my makeup in a little bit. This is very similar to the what's that spray? I think it's the MAC setting spray. I have to double check, but it looks just like that. All right guys, so I am currently outside of Walmart and I'm doing my makeup. My husband went in to get a few things. We had last minute plans. Him and his friends plan to like do like a little get together at one of his friends like apartment, and it's gonna be like a couples thing. So yeah, we're all gonna get together and just have a little bit of fun. I'm very quickly doing my makeup because I didn't have time. So it's the next day. I didn't get to film a lot yesterday in the little like get together, just because again I don't know if people are comfortable being around the camera, so I figured I wouldn't vlog. So for today, we've just been super lazy. We've just been in bed. We're still in our PJs, as you can tell. We've just been watching TV and just relaxing. I am about to get in the shower and I'm about to use some of the BoxyCharm products that I got. So I'm gonna use the scalp scrub and then the yuzu something sleep mask. This one right here. I'm so excited to use this. And yeah, we were supposed to pick up the car today, but apparently it's not ready. So they'll just send me like text notifications, and they'll keep me like updated. And supposedly the pickup date was today, so I called just to confirm, and that way I don't have to like drive up there. But they said it might be ready tomorrow. So, and it's time for me to wash my hair today because it's kind of dirty. I've been kind of like washing it every maybe like 2 to 3 days, depending how dirty I feel it. But yeah, so I'm gonna wash it today. Excited to use the coffee scrub or the scalp scrub. And yeah, so I'll see you guys later. Hello. I'm just coming downstairs and opening up the blinds because it's very dark in here. We're supposed to have like a little girls' night event at my husband's cousin's house, but it's only gonna be girls, which sounds like fun. That's supposed to start like at 7. And yeah, I'm actually gonna make something to eat because I haven't ate and it's already late in the day. So I have this pineapple in the fridge and I was supposed to make some tea with it, but I think it's overdue. It's like spilling juice. I'm probably gonna start baking these cookies so I can take to the girls' night tonight, but I don't know what to eat. Not supposed to be eating Doritos, but I do need to start thinking of what I'm gonna cook for dinner. There's this app that I recently discovered. It's called Cooklist, and it's the greatest thing ever to help you, to give you ideas on what to cook. So you basically put in the app all your ingredients that you have like in your pantry or wherever, and you literally put everything. You put all the dairy products that you have, all the meats that you have, seasonings, ingredients, anything, and then you go to like one of the little tabs that it has, and it's called Cook. Based on what you have in your pantry, it gives you recipes. There's this easy chicken parmesan wraps. I just don't have the wrap. I'll probably show you guys how the app works. I'm not sponsored, I promise. So here are the recipes, but down here on the tabs where you see plan, shop, pantry, cook, and profile, you click here on pantry, and this is all the ingredients that I have. So I put them all in there, and then you go to the cook tab, and then it'll show you recipes that you can make according to what you have, which is pretty cool. And then on the shop tab, I believe there's like, if you liked a recipe or something, and if you didn't have the ingredients, it'll show you like what ingredients you need to shop for. I haven't tried this, so I don't know. The plan tab I haven't used, but I only know the pantry tab and the cook tab, so I just put in everything, like I said, that I have, and then I look for which recipe looks good. I'll show you guys the wraps, my recipes. I'm just gonna go up here, and then things to make. So this is a wraps that I was telling you guys about, and it shows you everything that you need, and it tells you right here at the bottom if you have all the ingredients. So I think that's pretty cool. And then of course you go to directions, and it tells you how to make it. But anyways, that's that. All right guys, I'm gonna look more into this recipe. I just have to read the directions, and I'll be right back. All right guys, so I actually just got back from the store. I had to get a few things for the chicken wrap recipe. I had a lot of the things, but the recipe but it needed Italian cheese blend cheese. And I have Parmesan cheese, but I didn't want to do Parmesan. I wanted to follow the recipe, so I went to just get some cheese and a few things that I needed. And right now I'm just boiling the chicken so it could be cooked. But yeah, so I'm just gonna cook dinner and then just wait on my husband to get home and then eat, and then probably just leave. If you guys are looking for a good show to watch on Netflix, The Night Stalker and Crime Scene are two really good shows. So I just wanted to mention out there, because when we watched them we were like, oh my gosh, these are so good. I'm gonna put my camera to charge because the little battery symbol is blinking, and I'm just gonna relax for a little bit, just wait for the chicken to be ready, and then I'll see you guys in a little bit. All right guys, I'm on my way to the girls get together. It's not too far, it's literally like 2 minutes away from my house. So I'll probably vlog a little bit. I'll ask maybe if they mind being filmed, and if they do, then obviously I won't vlog, but we'll see how the vibe is, and yeah, we'll go from there.
Yeah. If I got some hot salad in my toothpick. Oh, so cute.
Alright guys, so it is Valentine's today. My husband actually gave me my gifts yesterday on the 13th because we weren't gonna see each other today because he's actually gonna work all day. So I'm actually gonna start editing this vlog right now so I can try and have it up today if I can. If not, I'll probably upload it tomorrow, but I'm gonna try my best to upload it today. But yeah, that's pretty much all I'm gonna do today. The rental car that we have does have a flat tire, so I called the company and they're supposed to be picking it up today and bringing a new one today. I don't know what time that's gonna be, but I hope soon. So I'm gonna end the vlog here, and like I said, start editing it. So as always, I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Bye guys.